Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to share tweets to your Instagram story. The first method is to share it directly to your Instagram stories. Open X or Twitter and navigate to the tweet you want to share. Tap on the share icon below the tweet. Just select Instagram stories from the share options and confirm by tapping open in the prompt. You will be redirected to Instagram. Just stop your story to post the tweet. The second method is to use a screenshot of the tweet. Just on Android, press the power plus volume down button simultaneously, on iPhone volume up buttons together. Open Instagram and tap your story, then select a screenshot from your gallery and post it as a story. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.